It's a test for the Osmo using the Saramonic wireless mic. Right now I'm using the mic itself on the unit. In a minute I'm going to try the lavalier. I've got a shotgun mic coming, so I'm just wanting to try this setup. I'll get you a picture of it and show you what I'm using. But right now I'm going to switch to the lavalier mic and see if we can detect any kind of difference. Okay, now I'm on the lavalier mic. Just wanted to get a quality check. Christmas Day. Let's see. Where do I need to stand for vlogging? This distance? This distance? I'm checking my phone to make sure I'm still getting. If I turn this way, it's okay. Yeah, it's Christmas Day. Wife is at work. I've gotten messages from two of the girls. I hadn't gotten a message from the son or the youngest daughter yet. I may not, you know. Things are what they are. Anyway, I just wanted to get out here and play with this stuff since I've got a free day. Today and tomorrow, just kind of taking it easy and enjoying the peace and quiet. Laid in the bed for a long time this morning, didn't even want to get up. Watched a movie on TV. I guess I finally got up about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Had some breakfast and then came downstairs and started piddling around. Looks like I've got a helicopter coming into the hospital. I hate to hear that on a Christmas day. But anyway, that's the way it swings, I reckon. So I'm going to go back to the Saramonic now and see how that sounds. I'm going to unplug this lavalier and then I'll go back and check them out, see how they do as a comparison. Alright, I'm back on the Saramonic mic right now. Here comes that helicopter. Let me see if I can break off and show you. The hospital's right over that hill. He's heading due right into the hospital right now, going into the hospital. So I sure hate to hear that. Christmas Day, yeah, he's circling around checking traffic. I guess he's going in. I don't think they would be training today. Today, I don't know, it might not be a bad day to train. Let's see if we can hear his props change, his rotors change. Yeah, sounds like he's going in. Anyway, that's what we got. Hope you guys having a good Christmas. And he's still circling. Could put up a drone and check him out. Anyway, I'm sure y'all don't want to listen to the helicopter droning on in the background. All right, I may post this, I may not. Anyway, Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas. Okay, hello everybody. I'm using I put together a little kit. I got the Osmo action camera and I got this Saramonic wireless Saramonic kit. Trying out some different configurations. I had some kit stuff laying around the basement, a camera mount, a small rig, adjustable arm, a mini ball head, and so I kind of put together a little kit here to use as a vlogging outfit. But I think I'm going to go ahead and order the cage And it probably needs to be an aluminum one if I'm going to use the phone as a bracket on one of the brackets, because I've seen those PGY Tech and Ulanzis, the guys putting heavy stuff on them, and those hot shoe mounts breaking off. So I'm probably going to order one, even though it's probably twice as expensive. Go ahead and order the small rig aluminum for the Osmo action, and it has 2 hot shoe mounts. But anyway, I'll show you a quick video of what I've got here. I'll go ahead and fire up the camera, and I'll include the audio, and then I'll do an overlay. So I've had all this kit in the house, so I just kind of put it all together. I got the adapter there. You see this adapter here, CY Sonova. And then I had this cheap phone bracket. I've got a Ulanzi, I may use that. And then I had this small rig ball joint adjustable arm. I had that in the house as well. And I had bought this camera rig quite a while ago to hold an off-camera flash or a whatever on my D70, to hold a mic or something when I use my Canon D70. And this right here actually wasn't part of it. That's a handle off of a Zoom H2 maybe, or a Zoom H1 kit, and I put it on there in case I wanted to take it off of the tripod and use it. Anyway, simple outfit with kit I had laying around the house. It's really too bulky. I travel a lot, and man, by the time I pack up drones and vlogging equipment and cameras and everything else, I really got to keep things compact, because when I stay in a hotel room, I certainly don't want to leave this gear in a hotel room. I mean, in a truck in the parking lot of a hotel. And I'm using Skyreet ND filter. I'm using the ND64. Anyway, that's what we got going. And we'll see how it works. Right now I'm just using the mic off of the Saramonic. I have a shotgun mic coming up, being ordered, a Rode Micro Mini or whatever it is for video logging. I've got that coming in, should be coming in first of the week. I tried it with a lavalier mic earlier. You still see it here. I don't have it wired into the Saramonic. But anyway, that's the kind of stuff I'm playing with to keep my vlogging going out in the field. I may start doing some safety videos in the field, moments, shots, and stuff like that, instead of doing the higher production stuff. Or I may incorporate these into the production. Anyway, I'll figure it out. I may or may not post this. If I do post this, let me know what you think. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, you know, to encourage me to make more videos of this. And also check out my channel. It's Middle Class Bubba on the YouTube, where you'll find safety videos, toolbox safety topic videos, and other leadership training and safety related videos. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. If you have any comments, please post them below. Also, feel free to leave a comment, get in touch with me if you have any needs for safety. Oh, by the way, I did have an opportunity this past week on a job site. I asked the owner representative if I could put the drone up. I'd gotten my North Carolina authorization that you have to go through their Department of Transportation Aviation Division and register with them, and they send you a little certificate, and they ask you some questions. If you've already a 107 pilot, you should be able to answer those questions pretty readily. But while I was on the job Saturday morning, excuse me, Monday morning, week of Christmas. It was raining, the guys were taking a break and went to lunch, and I sat there and got that. And yesterday, Christmas Eve, I was fortunate enough for him to say, yeah, go ahead. And I handed him the controls on the Mini and was going to let him fly it. And he played a minute or two, and then I took it up over the building. He was amazed at the video quality that it was receiving. You know, he had the impression that perhaps it was a toy. But anyway, it started showing him some real quality stuff, and he asked me to, you know, try and fly the building, take some pictures for him and forward it to him. And I took one right there with the application and sent it to him immediately while the drone was still in the air, using the app, the Fly app, and sent it via my email directly to him, and he was amazed at that. So anyway, he allowed me to fly the property, and I put together, I took some stills and I flew it at different angles, and I'll send those to him. And of course, I don't have any knowledge or experience yet to charge him. I'll just send him the raw footage. I won't perform any editing, put it together, make a story out of it or anything like that. I'll just send him the information and offer to come back if he'd like me to look at something more specific, and fly it again. And perhaps he'll put the word out, and the guys in the field, I kind of flew around them and through the cranes and stuff like that. Didn't really get too close. I'm building my confidence in that scenario, being around people and around equipment. Anyway, it was interesting and exciting time to broaden my experience. After I flew the Mini, I did get the Mavic 2 Pro out. And then another guy came up, and he was all excited, and I let him piddle with the controls for a little while. He said he had a Mavic Pro, and he was amazed at the capabilities of that drone. And I gave him my YouTube, and he'll check it out and then give me some comments. And if he has any questions, I made sure he knew how to get a hold of me. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you'll find additional videos that are safety related and leadership development related. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Have a grateful day. Have a grateful day. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the field.